and also let me know how is the situation in your area. For us, the governor has already announced that we are going to go with 50% capacity for schools, and also he let the county to decide, so we are still waiting for our county to decide. So what's happening in your situation? Have you guys decided whether it's going to be virtual learning, or are you ready to send your kids to school? So before heading on, as you all know, this week I was showing different combos using the matte glass, because I know Divya once asked me to show different options with the pink matte. I was like, because I wanted to show it instead of just one color, I wanted to do it with different shades. So today's shade is, I have done crimson with pink matte. It's really pretty, because I have seen an example of the new red, that is the red lantern, with I think with the praline rose matte glass. So that only gave me this idea. So I have done crimson with pink matte. You can see crimson is really dark shade. It's like a maroonish red, I would say. By adding pink matte, this turned into a pretty, what is it, like closer to roseberry shade kind of. So I think I am liking the pink matte more and more when I use it with different colors. So so far I have used it with blush, Kiss My Sass, crystal mauve. So far it's all, what is it, like light pastel shades. That's when I have added pink matte. But this whole week I am trying it with a little darker shades. So yesterday was Fire and Ice, which was like a nice pink, but it's a frost, whereas this crimson is the matte color, like a maroonish shade. And by adding pink matte, it makes it really pretty. So I think the matte glass is really going to be a hit actually. So the two things I wanted to talk about is not two, it's actually three things. As I said, the first one is obviously going to be about the makeup class. So far I have done many skincare sessions, but this is going to be my first makeup session alone, because so far how it goes is they will have skincare, but they will just add one or two makeup sessions, so it will not completely about makeup. So in the past 1 year, I think I have done a few of those, but this is going to be my first makeup session alone. Good morning, Shakti. Thanks for hopping in. Did you do live yesterday? I didn't see it actually. I didn't get a I didn't get a notification at all, so I missed it. That's what. So I haven't done a class which has concentrating only on makeup. So this is going to be whether you are CCTM, Lipsons, foundations, what else? Your silk, which is the primer, your mascara, your eyeshadows. So it's mainly okay. That's what I was like wondering, because I didn't get any notification at all. So I was like whether I missed it or not. So I will ping you today. And so as I said, it's going to be only with makeup, and it doesn't have to be, it's for every level. So whether you are a beginner with Sanagen's products, or whether you are already know the products, and you can just get an idea too. So it's anywhere, anybody can get use of it. It's not going to be like for only for people who are going to have like many layers of makeup. Even today I think I have used only 2 colors for my eye look, so you can always play with how you want. So that is the thing. It's going to happen from July 23rd and 24th in Facebook. So if you are thank you, Shakti, thank you so much. This denim, I've been waiting to wear it for so long, and so I paired it with what is like a very neutral shade, because this week the whole idea was to use the pink matte. So I'm going around the looks around this color and then pairing it with some eye look. Eye look is mostly for my practice. It's not, I feel like if I do it every single day after a year, I know how much we can progress. So that's the idea. So it's going to be in Facebook. So if you are interested, please ping me. I will share the details with you. I can and also for the skincare, this is the package I always used to send. I just wanted to show what I usually send along with it. This is not the complete package. Whenever I get time, I usually have a few packages already built. That way I can ready to ship when somebody asks me to do that. So skincare is like my passion when it comes to Senegal. So I'm always ready to explain or do with that. So what it has is it always comes with the latest beauty book to go with it, because the beauty book will, even if I am not there, you can still go through the beauty book and understand everything, because that's how much details are there in the beauty book. And I always drop while in the live. So because the beauty book will have the products laid out in proper way, because you don't have to know where to start and all. The order is clearly explained here. If you see, it always starts with the basic skincare. So I always tell them that this is like a must have. So this is where you will start, and then you can add on what is your problem area. So that is one thing that always goes with the sample pack. And these days I'm trying to add at least 2 of the skincare samples, because this will last you at least 4 to 5 days, because that is how much you will use for each product. Because with the night time and all, you can see it is going to be only once, so you have pretty much for 5 days. Same with the daytime moisturizer. So that's the reason I'm nowadays sending it for at least 2 of them. And it's basically for either based on your skin type. So you will pick whether you are dry, normal to dry, and normal to oily. We don't have oily to acne, because it's not, you cannot, stay them active in this type of packaging. So that's the reason it doesn't come in oily to acne. But we do have the line as separate one. But when it comes to samples, you can pick the normal to oily line, because oily to acne, even though you pick it, if you see you have a acne issue or something, you will still not continue with it. It is more like a treatment. So once you have able to address the problem, then you will come back to any of these normal lines. So that's the reason we always suggest you to try the normal to oily line if you are someone who has oily skin, or if you have acne issues and all. So, and also now I will also be sending the full size climate control. This is the 3 sachet, which will last you at least 3 to 5 days again. So this is already activated. You just press it to activate and you will be able to use it. And this is one product you will immediately notice the difference, because you will see how much your skin is hydrated. And also I used to send the resurfacer sample, because this is called a wow product, because this is like a instant facial and instant glow to your face. So we even with the full size, it's only twice a week. So this should come for at least 4 users. So you will have like more than 2 weeks of products here. So that is another good thing. The same way I'll be sending the lip smooth and lip balm, which is again another wow product, because this is an exfoliator for your lips. So the moment you do both, you will see how soft your lips are going to be, even if for someone who has dry chapped lips and also that is again one more thing. And I will ask the questions based on the customer. I will be adding more goodies to these packages, because as I said, trying these samples is like a very good way to start with it, to get an idea of the product. And also, since it's going to last you like 5 full days, you will get an idea of how your skin is going to what is it, like, show the results or something. So with skincare, I'm always ready. You don't have to wait for some what is it, like, some group Facebook activity going on. You can reach out to me anytime if you want to try. And the next thing I wanted to talk about is again also about the distributor membership for this month. I know I always do one video for the whole month to just explain it, because every month it changes. So we had a free sign up when the COVID started. So we had it for quite, I think, 3 or 4 months we had it. And even the renewal was given free that time. But recently Synergence has introduced a new distributor kit, which is going to be like $65 for sign up. But when you sign up, you get you have a choice of picking whether it's soft neutrals, which are these 3 shades, or I think it's called deep neutrals, which are these 3 shades. So you can see, let me show the deep neutrals. So the deep neutrals comes with caramel apple, sheer berry and bella. So I have swatched them here. So this is bella, this is sheer berry, and this is caramel apple. So caramel apple is the frost. You can see how it has like a pearly shine to it. So these 3 are the deep neutrals, whereas the soft neutrals comes with the bombshell, dawn rising and love it. So these 3 shades comes with soft neutrals, and I have them here. You can see this is love it, this is love it. This is dawn rising, which is like a very light brown. Yeah, you can see it here. And this one is love it. So these 3 shades are soft neutrals. The only difference is you don't get a full size product. Instead, you get like a tester size, which is our shadow sun size. So you can see the difference. So this will be the size you will get for all 3 Lipson's colors, and this is the original size for the Lipson's colors. Recently, some of the colors like Red Rose and True Love and all came in this size too. So this is like usually a $19 worth of product, and this is a $25 one. This is 0.20 ounce and this is 0.25 ounce. So you get 3 of the Lipson's colors in this size, which is the 0.20 ounce, but you get a full size glossy gloss and full size oops remover along with it. So usually our starter kit with any colors is $55. That means you get to choose one color of your choice, one gloss of your choice, and one oops remover. So in that case, this is like $65 for all 3 colors along with the glossy and oops remover. And this month the promotion was once you sign up and place any 1 PV order, you will get these 2 free this month. This is the hydrating facial mist, which is like it is like you can use it as a setting spray. You can use it before or after your makeup. So if I am feeling dry and if I feel like I need more moisture, I can spray it on top of my makeup and it will not break it. And for summer, you can even keep it in the refrigerator and spray it on. And this is my Lazy Go product, I would say. Whenever the day I'm very tired after end of day and I don't have more to apply the cream or something, then I will make sure I will always remove my makeup and wash it, but I will just spray this on 2-3 coats, because I want the moisture to soak in while I'm sleeping. So I do this, for example, if I'm traveling and I'm tired at the end of day, so this will be my go-to. Even as I said, even few days at home, after I do my videos, mostly I will remove it after the lunch or something. So once I remove it, instead of just leaving it as it is, I try to spray it on. And this is part of our anti-aging collection. So it has extra benefits for cellular renewal, and at the same time, whenever you keep your skin hydrated, then obviously your skin cells will be plump. And the other product is the body lotion. So I have already made a video if you want to go back and see. So if you're signing up for selling, then obviously these two will cover the cost of your sign up fee itself. As I said, you are going to sign up for 65, but these two will be costing $85. So you are already getting a product more than what you paid for, or you can keep it for yourself anytime as a tester or for personal use. So this is the promotion that's been going on for this month till July 31st. So if you are interested, you can always ask me for the sign up link. And I think I have covered pretty much everything. I have talked about the makeup class, I have talked about the skincare class, and also I wanted to cover about the sign up for this month. So these are the three things I wanted to talk about for this month. So let's have ping me if you have any doubts. Like as I said, even if you have tried the samples, there is no what is it, like compulsion to buy. At the same time, these FB groups will have tons of games to participate, and they always will have participation prizes for commenting and liking the post, all those stuff. And it's fun to see from a different perspective, because I know I have shown mostly what works for my skin tone or what works for the group, but when you see it from a different perspective, you will get more ideas too. So that's the reason I always ask you to participate and be open to it. And if you are interested, please let me know. And that's all for the live today. Have a wonderful day. See you all soon.